solution, so our point of sale solution really is, I think of it as a hub for all of the value that we can help restaurant companies actually gain to serve their customers better. So I think we look at point of sale as the center, but then you can add loyalty solutions and you can add online ordering solutions and everything that can integrate with the actual transaction that happens when somebody buys something. That seems really simple, right? Yeah. So it's actually, there's so much. So think about solutions where you can order ahead and you might want to order online and you want to be able to pick that up on time. The point of sale needs to know when you're going to be there to pick it up, so you have to integrate that. Loyalty, if you're a loyalty solution and you don't want to have to hand over another card, you want to be able to say, I'm XYZ and I can just ring you up and add your loyalty points.
Do you guys integrate
by
with
phone number or?
By phone number, and actually by if you have an application. So one of the ways we integrate is with applications that do mobile loyalty. That would be an integration point as well.
Oh, cool.
Yep.
Do you guys integrate with any of the LRS stuff?
We do.
Like for example, the technologies where it knows what table you're at or things like that?
Yes, absolutely.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, so we have a guest management application. So when you think about our job is to help that guest experience be better for all of our restaurant, the businesses that we serve. And so we try to come up with applications that are going to add just little bits of extra value. And so guest management is one. So if you're a loyalty customer, we know a lot about you. We know how many kids you have. We know what your phone numbers are. We know how to get a hold of you, how to connect with you.
But that's all because I've told you?
It's all because you've told me, but you've wanted to tell me, because that way when I show up, I've got a high chair at my table.
That would be amazing.
That would be awesome.
Wouldn't that? I don't have to go scramble for one.
Yeah,
it's really good. And so we actually integrate that application with long-range systems. So if you think about it, the experience when you go and you have to wait for your table, just having that integrated where I don't have to give my phone number again, or I don't have to go through that process. So it's very seamless. I think what has happened is we've gone from a fixed point of sale in a restaurant environment. But think about it, if you're actually in a table service restaurant, a server comes to you, they take your order, now they have to walk all the way back to where the point of sale is to enter an order, and guess what, they probably forgot three things, right? Yeah. So the idea is that you can use a mobile device to actually record, here's what they're ordering, and actually start the process of it going to the kitchen.
You mean like the server might come up to me with their device, not me putting in my own order.
Exactly. So the server may come up with they could come up with an iPhone, an iPad, and then we actually have an industry-specific point of sale that you might see in Europe a lot, which is actually able to take the credit at the table as well.
So they don't have to disappear with my credit card and do God knows what with it wherever they're going.
That's
right. That happened to my card the other day.
Yeah. So I think what we've done is we've actually said it's not point of sale anymore, it's points of sale. Because now if every server has a mobile device and a customer, right, an actual restaurant customer, they have mobile device. Imagine if they could pay, right, with their mobile device. So that's a lot of where we're focused right now. So we're working with a lot of partners across, different, across quick service and table service. We have our own application. We're actually partnered with PayPal to be very strategic about extending
so you could pay for your dinner with your PayPal account.
Is that cool or what?
That is really
Isn't
cool.
That cool? Yeah.
As long as people aren't scared of the technology.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't believe they can, and I think because they have to position themselves to differentiate themselves, and so if they continue to have very manual processes or very manual integration, I don't know about you, but I have 50 loyalty cards. I have to carry a special little wallet just for my loyalty cards. But if I could actually interface with any business I go to, right, through my phone, then that is so much better of an experience.
And you want to have all those little things on your keychain, like stacking.
Yeah, exactly.
In this day and age, we're all, customers are always about efficiency and fast.
That's right. They want to move people through. They want the guest experience to be amazing. And the way that they're going to allow themselves to differentiate themselves and grow with that, they have to stay up with technology because consumers are demanding it, right? All of us, we're technology savvy, so yeah, I agree with that.
You guys, thanks for joining us. Stick around. We got lots more coverage right here from the LRS booth at the National Restaurant Association show.
Bye, guys.
It's great.